Introduction. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on latest drones of the year at the cheapest price. Product 1. Product name: New Professional Drone K911. The new Professional Drone K911 represents a cutting-edge advancement in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, offering an impressive array of features and capabilities for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a focus on high-performance aerial photography and versatile maneuverability, the K911 drone aims to deliver an exceptional flying experience. Equipped with GPS technology, this drone ensures accurate positioning and precise flight control, allowing for stable flights even in challenging conditions. The inclusion of multiple cameras is a standout feature, with the K911 boasting 3 HD cameras that can capture video footage in 4K and 8K resolutions. This high-resolution capability guarantee feature adds an immersive dimension to flying, enabling real-time video streaming directly to a compatible device, such as a smartphone or FPV goggles. This real-time perspective gives users a bird's-eye view as if they were right in the cockpit, enhancing the thrill of flight. One of the standout specifications of the K911 is its extended range, with an impressive maximum range of 1,200 kilometers. This long-distance capability opens up exciting possibilities for exploring vast areas and capturing footage from locations that were previously inaccessible. The K911 drone is powered by brushless motors, known for their efficiency, durability, and quieter operation compared to brushed motors. This contributes to a smoother and more enjoyable flight experience, especially during video recording sessions. In terms of portability and convenience, the K911 features a foldable design, allowing users to easily transport. 11 is packed with professional-grade features. It's worth noting that it also serves as an engaging quadcopter toy, making it suitable for recreational use by drone enthusiasts of various skill levels. In summary, the new Professional Drone K911 combines advanced features such as GPS technology, multiple high-resolution cameras, FPV capability, long-range flight, and a foldable design. This all-inclusive package positions the K911 as a versatile tool for aerial photography, videography, and exploration, making it a compelling product. 2. Product name: Lenovo Original G6 Drone. The Lenovo Original G6 Drone represents a cutting-edge advancement in aerial photography and quadcopter technology. Designed for both professional and recreational use, this drone offers a comprehensive set of features that cater to various user needs. With its 4K and 8K HD dual cameras, it ensures high-quality imagery and videos, ideal for capturing stunning landscapes, events, and aerial perspectives. One standout feature of the Lenovo Original G6 drone is its built-in GPS system, which provides precise positioning and navigation capabilities. This not only enhances the overall flight experience, but also aids in achieving accurate and stable footage. The inclusion of obstacle avoidance technology further elevates its safety and reliability, allowing the drone to intelligently detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path. Portability is another key aspect of the G6 drone's design. Its foldable structure makes it easy to transport and store, making it a convenient instant results every time it takes to the skies. Whether you're a professional photographer seeking unique perspectives or an aerial enthusiast looking to explore new heights, the Lenovo Original G6 drone offers a versatile and capable platform. Its combination of advanced imaging capabilities, GPS-guided navigation, obstacle avoidance, and portability makes it a compelling choice. Product 3. Product name: E88MAX RC Drone. The E88MAX RC Drone is an advanced and feature-packed quadrotor helicopter designed for enthusiasts and professionals in the remote-controlled drone hobby. This drone model stands out for its utilization of a brushless motor, which offers enhanced durability, efficiency, and performance compared to traditional brushed motors. One of the key highlights of the E88MAX RC drone is its integrated 4K wide-angle HD camera. This camera is designed to capture high-resolution videos and photos from unique aerial perspectives, allowing users to create stunning visuals and capture breathtaking landscapes. The wide-angle lens further ensures that a broader field of view is covered, enhancing the overall quality of the footage. The drone also boasts a height-fixed feature, which enables it to maintain a consistent altitude during flight. This is particularly useful for capturing stable and smooth footage, as well as for practicing various aerial maneuvers. The stability provided by the height-fixed feature is highly portable and easy to transport. This feature is especially convenient for users who are frequently on the go, or who want to carry their drone to different locations without much hassle. The remote control system included with the drone provides intuitive and precise control over its movements. This is crucial for both beginner and experienced pilots, as it allows for accurate navigation and responsive maneuvering. In summary, the E88MAX RC Drone combines advanced features like a brushless motor, 4K wide-angle HD camera, height-fixed capabilities, foldable design, and a user-friendly remote control. This makes it an attractive choice for individuals who are passionate about aerial photography, videography, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying a high-performance drone. Whether capturing stunning visuals or honing piloting skills, the product name Z908 Pro Drone. The Z908 Pro Drone is an advanced and feature-rich quadcopter that falls into the category of professional drones, equipped with a 4K HD camera. This mini drone is designed to provide users with high-quality aerial photography and videography capabilities, making it an ideal choice for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking to capture stunning imagery from unique angles. One of the standout features of the Z908 Pro Drone is its 4K HD camera, which allows for the recording of videos and capturing of images in impressive resolution. This feature enables users to capture sharp and detailed visuals from the sky, opening up possibilities for creative projects such as filmmaking, photography, and content creation. Moreover, the drone is equipped with optical flow localization technology, which enhances its stability and positioning accuracy. This technology utilizes visual sensors to help the drone maintain a stable hover even in environments where GPS signals might be. This is particularly beneficial when flying the drone indoors or in areas with obstacles. To ensure a safe and obstacle-free flight experience, the Z908 Pro Drone incorporates three-sided obstacle avoidance capabilities. This means that the drone is equipped with sensors on multiple sides that detect obstacles in its path and automatically adjust its flight path to avoid collisions. This feature enhances the overall safety of the drone and minimizes the risk of accidents or crashes. Beyond its technical capabilities, the Z908 Pro Drone can also serve as a thoughtful gift or a recreational toy. Its compact size and advanced features make it suitable for both experienced drone pilots and beginners who are looking to explore the world of aerial photography and piloting. In conclusion, the Z908 Pro Drone stands out as a versatile and high-performance quadcopter with a 4K HD camera, optical flow localization technology, and three-sided obstacle avoidance. Its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design will tool for capturing breathtaking aerial visuals and a great gift option for individuals interested in drone technology and photography. Product name Tesla 8K Professional Drone. The Tesla 8K Professional Drone represents a cutting-edge advancement in the world of aerial photography and remote-controlled quadcopters. Designed with innovation and high-quality performance in mind, this drone offers remarkable capabilities tailored for professional photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts seeking top-tier aerial imaging experiences. The standout feature of the Tesla 8K Professional Drone is its exceptional camera system. Equipped with an 8K resolution camera, this drone allows users to capture incredibly detailed and crisp aerial photographs and videos, ensuring that every intricate detail is faithfully reproduced. This level of resolution is particularly beneficial for professionals working in industries such as cinematography, real estate, landscape photography, and more. Moreover, the drone is equipped with a 4K HD camera for live streaming and real-time video transmission, enhancing the user's ability to monitor and control the drone's perspective while in flight. This feature, with a range of up to 5,000 meters, users can explore vast distances and capture shots from various perspectives, opening up new creative possibilities. The intuitive remote control interface allows for effortless navigation and adjustments, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. Safety is a paramount concern, and the Tesla 8K Professional Drone addresses this with obstacle avoidance technology. The drone is equipped with advanced sensors that can detect and circumvent obstacles in its flight path, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring a safe flying experience. This feature is crucial, particularly when operating in complex environments or when flying in tight spaces. In conclusion, the Tesla 8K Professional Drone combines state-of-the-art camera capabilities, advanced remote control features, and safety mechanisms to offer an unparalleled aerial photography experience. It caters to professionals and enthusiasts alike, delivering stunning visuals with its 8K camera, enabling real-time monitoring through its 4K This drone represents a remarkable leap forward in the realm of professional.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.